this isn't going.
I don't know yet. I still got my cable in there.
Oh. Or do you just break through and it comes up?
So what is this, a condensate line? So it could be.
This fridge comes here though. That comes into that one.
So
what's that from? Unless that's from the freezer.
That's coming from over here as well, right?
Is that the freezer line maybe?
Could be.
But it's not, because the freezer runs, it's water cooled and it's not continuous. It only comes out when that sink comes on.
Something obviously, right? Wall.
Is it exposed in there?
Yeah, it looks like it's going over and up behind the beer. Gotta be some sort of condensate line. Maybe this right here. That's gonna shoot up and across, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's this line here, the rubber hose here.
That's just for condensation.
So it's condensation. So what happens in the condensate line, because it, I don't know why, but it almost turns into like a slime.
Like the white sludge?
Yeah. So basically like the pop machines, like your, you know.
And the lines, I know I've had that before where like they come and they go.
Yeah. So it could be that. I would assume that's what it is. If that's the only thing feeding that, well, I guess
not drain, but I mean that's just people
like how much
hands.
exactly, right? There's not a lot of grease and oil and stuff like that going down. Guessing there's some of it.
Sometimes he dumps his ribs down there, like the rib water.
I would tell him not to do that. But hey, that's just me. When you guys do stuff like this, it gives us work, right? So
It's fucking pain in the ass. I just had him not using that sink for a while, and just I figured when there's two problems, then I'll call you.
yeah.
So just in case you want to do that for it.
Is that water still running?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So it should be.
I'm gonna pull my cable out, and I think we're good to go.
You want me to leave it running or not?
Leave it running while I'm pulling the cable out, just kind of cleans it up a bit.
Okay.
All right, thanks a lot, man. that roll now?
Sure.
Oh, you don't like it running?
I can't keep running.
No, you can shut it off.
I can wait for a little bit more.
It's up to you. So there's something stuck down there.
Something stuck down it?
Yeah, down that pipe. I had a hard time